What happens an hour after drinking local, sustainable, organic kale juice? First 10 minutes you are overcome with a sense of smug satisfaction. You didn't just make a healthier choice than those fools drinking caffeinated, sugary beverages. You're a better person. 20 minutes self-righteousness begins to affect the left half of your brain, suppressing logic and store memory. This organic kale was grown without pesticides, you say. Forgetting that organic doesn't mean pesticide-free. Highly toxic pyrethrins, rotenone, and copper sulfate are all approved organic pesticides. Remember me. 30 minutes the smug begins to affect your hippocampus, a part of the brain essential to rational thought. That food babe woman on the internet says you shouldn't eat ingredients you can't pronounce. You think. Except, kale naturally contains hard-to-pronounce isothicyanate, neochlorogenic acid, and many other carcinogens made by Mother Nature. What happens an hour after drinking local, sustainable, organic kale juice? 40 minutes sanctimony seeps into your prefrontal cortex, resulting in impaired reasoning. Thanks goodness there's no such thing as kale. Who cares that every reputable scientific body has found most to be safe? You learned how bad they are from a clever Facebook infographic. Also, you now understand now NASA faked the moon landing. 50 minutes damage to your frontal lobe causes you to make absurd claims. This kale came from a local farmer's market, and that means fewer food miles than food shipped across country. By now, you're completely oblivious to how local food production is often more wasteful and emits more pollutants than shipping food from places where it grows more efficiently. 60 minutes you're proud to be a free-thinking nonconformist like all your friends who believe exactly the same things you do. Now, you have an insatiable desire to force everyone to drink local, organic kale juice too so they can be individualists like you. Remember me. Just remember me.